In the strange world of quantum mechanics, reality is not what it seems. Particles can be in multiple places at once. Events are governed not by certainty, but by pure probability. It's a world so bizarre that one of its founding fathers, Erwin Schrödinger, proposed an experiment to show just how ridiculous it all was. He created a paradox that has haunted science for nearly a century. A story about a cat, a box, and a reality that is terrifyingly uncertain. Today, we will open that box and try to understand. So, here is the setup. Imagine a cat. Place it inside a sealed steel box where no one can see in. Inside the box with the cat, there is a strange device, a single radioactive atom. This atom is quantum. It lives by the law of probability. In the span of 1 hour, there is a 50% chance it will decay and a 50% chance it will not. If the atom decays, it triggers a Geiger counter, which in turn releases a hammer, which shatters a vial of poison, instantly killing the cat. If it doesn't decay, the cat remains alive. Now, the question is, before you open the box, what is the state of the cat? Common sense says the cat is either alive or dead. We just don't know which one. But quantum mechanics says something far stranger. Because the atom's fate is undecided, it exists in a superposition, a blurry state of both decayed and not decayed at the same time. And because the cat's life is directly linked to that atom, the cat itself is also in a superposition. It is not alive or dead. It is, according to the math, both alive and dead simultaneously. Its reality is a blur of possibilities, waiting to collapse. This state of absurdity only ends when we, the observer, open the box. The moment we look, reality is forced to choose. The superposition collapses into a single, definite state. We will find a cat that is 100% alive or 100% dead. The act of observation itself becomes the act of creation. But here is the brilliant twist. Schrödinger never intended for us to believe a cat could literally be a ghost. He created this paradox to mock the mainstream interpretation of quantum mechanics. He was essentially saying, your theories work for atoms, but look what happens when you apply them to a cat. It's absurd. Something is wrong with your understanding of reality. And yet, the paradox has taken on a life of its own, leading to even stranger ideas. One of the most popular solutions is the many worlds interpretation. It suggests that reality never collapses. Instead, it splits. When you open the box, the universe itself divides into two. In one universe, you find a living cat. In another, identical universe, you find a dead one. Every quantum choice creates a new branch of reality. So Schrödinger's cat is more than just a puzzle. It's a gateway to the biggest questions we can ask. What is reality? What is the role of consciousness in the universe? And how many versions of you are out there living the consequences of every choice you've ever made? The box is still closed, and we are all inside.